Guys, it's me, Mikey. Welcome back to Mikey Macho Garage, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing and a review of the Bauer 20V 2000 Lumen work light. So if you want to see its cool features and what it does, stay tuned. So why we are switching from this light to this light is because first of all, we already have Bauer batteries. And second of all, I don't like how this light gets really hot, and it also has a crack like right here at the bottom where the electrical is. So we just decided to get a new light. Let's go ahead and unbox it. Smells like a new tool smell. So the first thing you're gonna see out of the box is this, where you can see it takes a Bauer 20V battery, which we have over here, and which is sold separately. You can purchase a power cord to plug into this, so you can power it 2 ways, and you can hang it in 2 different ways. So you can hang it from this way, the handle, or you can hang it on the wall with this little hanger right here, and the power button's right here, and the big lights right here. So also you can hang it on, you can screw it onto a wall with these 2 things right here. So you can screw it onto the wall. And it also has a compact folding mechanism, so you can put it away and store it very easily. This light can rotate 360 degrees, so it gives you lots of options for setup. So it has 2 modes of operation, which it has full light, medium light, and then no light. So there is a 90-day warranty, but Harbor Freight gives you extra warranty. And if you really liked this review, go ahead and give me a like. And if you want to see more content from Mikey Macho Garage, then click subscribe. Bye!